And I know she'll be there for me, at least we'll both know. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know, yeah, this I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry.
Hi guys, this is Kate from the Italian Chica. So, where am I? I'm in Tenerife right now. And I think I'm gonna stay a little bit more than the last time, probably months. But this time, today, I'm gonna show you a beautiful hotel where I'm gonna stay for 3 days and 3 nights. And its name is Jardin Tropical, and it's situated in the south of Tenerife, close to Porto Colón in Playa Las Americas. Yeah, I can't wait, let's go!
And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. All the misery was necessary.
Okay guys, I just parked the car in front of the hotel and let's go inside.
About it, she told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me
So guys, I just arrived at my room. I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you everything. I can't wait. Here there is a closet, a lot of closets. Very good for my dresses, perfect. And here, my gosh, there is the bedroom. Look, it's huge. It's huge, guys. It's beautiful. Here there is a mirror. Hi.
And I know she'll be there for me, at least we'll both know. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. All the misery.
Here there is the TV with some nice decorations on the wall.
She told me don't worry
And here there is the terrace.
no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll let.
Now I'm gonna show you the bathroom. Look at this. Woohoo! I can't wait to take a bath in here. Oh my god. Look, this is so lovely. Look at this. Hi again. Can't wait to discover every corner of this fabulous resort. Yay, so excited.
And I know she'll be there for me, at least we'll both know. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. All the misery was necessary when we're deep in love. This I know, yeah, girl, I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be loved.
Have you seen this amazing sunset? Oh my god, it was fabulous. And now it's time to use this amazing thing. And I can't wait to have a beautiful bath in here.
Church shoes up, really point to just to hurt them. All red lamps to tease them. None of these toys are
Hi guys, good morning. It's a beautiful day here in Tenerife and in Jardin Tropical. I've just woke up and I'm going to have breakfast. Let's go.
cut from ebony. Cut that ivory into skinny pieces, and she clean it with her face, but you love your baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. Talking about you, you don't see the shade. Switch up your style, you take any lane. Switch up your cup to kill any pain. Look what you've done. You're a pretty little star boy. Look what you've done. You're a pretty little star boy.
I know how this works, I got my ABCs right.